Good morning, dear student. How are you all? You all are fine at home now? Okay, so dear student, this is your maths teacher Joy Singh. So welcome to the maths online class and take out your maths book. Okay. So today, student, I'm going to start the addition stories. Okay. And so open page 116. Okay, addition stories on page number 116. So please student complete the work on time and also complete your maths notebook and please submit to the school office. Okay, now see the question, student. 32 students were watching a match. 32 students जो है वो मैच को वॉच कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. 10 more students joined them. 10 स्टूडेंट और बाद में आकर उसको ज्वाइन किए स्टूडेंट्स को. So there are total how many students watching the match now? तो see, addition story number 1 is here it is given box plus box again box. Okay, so 32 student. Here you are going to write down 32 student watching the match. Now 10 उसमें added है. Okay, 10 student उसमें add हो गए. तो 2 plus 0 will become 2 and 3 plus 1 will become 4. Okay, so 42 total students कितने हुए? 42. So you are going to write down there are 42 students. 42 students watching the match now. Okay, ये हो गया आपका नंबर 1. Okay students, so do it. Question number 1. This is question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is there were 54 cycles at the cycle stand. एक साइकिल स्टैंड है, वहां पे कितने साइकिल्स हैं? 54 साइकिल्स. Now 12 more cycles were kept at the stand. 12 more cycles आए और वहां पे स्टैंड पे रख दिए गए. Okay, now there are dash cycle in all at the stand. So you are going to do it. Plus box, then box is made here plus and again box is there. Okay, so student पहले कितने हैं साइकिल्स? 54 साइकिल्स. पहले था 54 साइकिल्स एंड फिर 12 मोर उसमें ज्वाइन हो गए. तो 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 6 and 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, 66. So there are 66. There are 66 cycles in all at the stand. Okay student, only you are going to fill the this and this. Okay, and all thing is given in your book. Sentences are written. Now student, come to question number 3. Now question number 3. Okay, see here. Sovit had 73 toffees with him. His father gave him 15 more toffees. So Sovit has dash toffees now. Okay, so you are going to find 73 toffees. Sovit ke paas 3, and he has again his father gave him 15 more. Okay, so you are going to do plus here. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 7 plus 1 is again 8. Okay, so it is 88. So Sovit has 88 toffees now. Okay. Now question number 4. 24 boys were swimming in the swimming pool. 15 more boys joined them. So dash boys are swimming now. So see here, how many boys are swimming in the swimming pool? 24. After that 15 more joined them. 15 उसमें और join किए. तो total 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. So total 39. So 39 boys are swimming now. So question number 3 and question number 4 both done. So do it, student. Do it fast, student. Now student, the last one, question number 5. Okay, question number 5, see. There were 46 marbles in a ball. 12 more marbles were put in it. So there are dash marbles in the ball. So 5, question number 5. How many marbles are there? 46 in the bowl. Okay. 12 more added in the bowl. Now there are 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. 58. So there are 58 marbles in the bowl now. Do it. So page number 116 is completed. Done, student. Okay students, so addition story is completed today. So in the next class I will start the subtraction, that is backward. Okay, so subtraction backward counting hoti hai, so I will start in the next class. So till then keep learning and keep practicing. See you. Bye.